a hollow metallic closed container with small opening. So it will be with small opening. Maintained at high temperature can be act as a source of black body radiation. Yeah, that is correct if you are considering a metallic container with a small opening over here. So on the assumption that we are allowing some radiations to pass through this small opening. So what will happen, this metal is having some kind of coefficient of absorption. So it is going to absorb some amount of radiations, and again after next reflection it is going to absorb again some amount of radiations. Like that, after many reflections it is going to absorb almost all the radiations. So we can just consider it as like a black body. So the assertion is correct, and the reason for it is given that all metal act as a black body radiator, no, which is wrong. So over here it is if the light ray is getting trapped and it is getting absorbed due to multiple reflections, not because of the reason that it is an exact black body. So we can say that assertion is correct and reason is wrong.